Likkle Bit A Money. Yeah. Likkle Bit. Yo.
What's up, Burritos? What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another Dutty Lyrics. Now, this is where I break down a popular song and we just examine it in the only way that I know how, and that is the Duttyberry way. So today I'm going to be examining Govana's song hit single that is called Likkle Bit A Money. So let's jump right into the lyrics. I'm so. Alright, so the song start off strike force, yeah. Okay, strike force, yeah.
Strike force.
Strike force, yeah. And it continues. Now, I don't know if I because Govana and I don't your power, and you know, say him is this yeah times 10 million infinity boss. Why him keep on repeat it?
Yeah.
Cause it look like, say, you know, when you have another entourage, you have part of one bag of people them, you need somebody to be a yes man. And so him not really say yes, but him gonna say yes. So I understand what I'm going right there. So Likkle Bit A Money, Likkle Bit. So him say, yo, shut your mouth with your Likkle Bit A Money.
Shut your mouth with your Likkle Bit A Money.
Words can bring me.
Why the box foot is this draping me up right now? Shut your mouth with your Likkle Bit A Money. No, Govana, you never have to start off the song so strong. Because right there, so, if you have kind of a jingle up in your pocket, you just feel shame, you feel embarrassed, you feel honored, you feel like you have a little piece of scrap metal, you feel like when Katy Perry did that sings.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag?
Life is sweet, like me dip it in a honey. No, wow, this is some golden life. No, Govana, I don't know how much your singles them make, but look like say you know money are going for you because you say your life sweet. Everybody have one bag of crosses life in a 2020, but your life is sweet like you dip it in a honey. Where Jill Scott sings say she is living her life like it is golden, and you and her are a friend right there. So wow, trick a girl with your near car and your near money. No, I don't know if I mean don't right now. I don't know a name near car. What is a near car? Let me go and see if I can find out what is a near car. Alright, let's see if we can call Janelle. Okay. Whoa, not getting Janelle.
A chica girl with a nigga tiara and a nigga money.
See if we can call Nitro. Wow. Come on, man. Oh, wow. Couldn't place call. Jesus, beam. Let's see if we can call Janelle again. Come on, answer a call.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey.
Yeah, Janelle, I'm recording. Question. When Govana this sing Likkle Bit A Money, what him say? Him say him trick a girl with your walk in a car and your walk in a money?
Very bad to bad. You just call me, you just catch me off guard, so I think remember all that, so I just don't part.
Him say shut when him near car and near money.
After I don't know when you say my love.
That's crazy. I think you would have known. I think you connect to the streets them ways the Janelle.
No, bad to bad another way, I don't know when you say my love.
Jesus Christ, I don't know neither. Anyway.
You have to look at somebody else. You just a disturbance from the series, so bad to bad.
Alright, Janelle, thanks for your no help.
Okay.
Thanks for your no help.
Bye.
Alright. Alright, so after all of that, we actually just realized that what Google showed me was near because they didn't want to write out the N word. So now me know say it was nigga money. Wow, so I called Janelle for no reason at all when it was just the N word. I've been hear the song so much time I never know, you know. Boy oh boy. Anyway, she said when she meet him, she F him, cause that's a bigger money. But understand that, Governor, because there are girls who exist like that. This is a occurrence out a road where the girl will give her vagina to the person who can be the better and the bestest financial provider. I saw it go right now. The crutches have a direct proportion to the Western Union. Some man start hype, through them make a piece of money. That understand people when they look a lot of somebody get famous now, have a little YouTube check, and all of a sudden the hype reach them head and them start for going like them better than people. I just saw it go out a road.
1 mil Jamaican, that a stripper money.
1 mil Jamaican, that a stripper money. No, me not understand. Like me not gonna lie. Like I've been to a strip joint before.
Oh my God! Wow!
People were quite shocked to see me in a space like that. But I went there and I think I did try to, but I didn't understand that when you give the money, you try to put it into the that little string that is called the underwear. And I think it was about $550 that I gave. I don't know about a $1 million spending shopping spree at a strip joint. That is another type of little level of money right there. So, say give my woman beer money, like how Bob give Rita money. Cause talk truth. Everybody know the little things them, cause Bob, you know, as great as Bob be, Bob used to, you know, Bob them girl is out on the road, but him always make sure him take care of Rita, because Rita, she a wife. So when you go a Zimmer party, have your liquor money. True, because them look party the eye party, if you have a liquor, you want people know say you have it on your eye and all of them little things. So when you got them party there, you go there for a flash and for a show off on people. I just saw it go.
Bad man no drink off a man table.
Bad man no drink off a man table. I lie. Because a whole heap of bad man broke. A whole heap of bad man broke and them go there with them bridging them and the bridging by the NEC and them just share because them are bridging. I just saw it go now if you are the one stranger. A different thing, you can't just run up on a little random man stranger and drink out them liquor because yeah, them little type of things that look very skeptish. But see I saw them thing unstable. Lego juice in a them girl navel. No, suppose the girl here have a outie. Suppose the girl have one outie where fear thing just kind of pop out so. Jesus beam, Lego juice in them girl navel, know the girl they do. I want deep piece of navel that she would have, you know, cause fair thing fair us a girl and a Lego juice and a girl navel. I don't understand because sometimes me know like you drink something, right? And you probably have your little soda now and your soda go spill. You know, because sometimes you shake up the soda now and then the way you call it, the acid and something go frat out now and go fly up. I can't understand them little something they govern but you have to be careful when you have your soda around a girl, you get me? You can't shake up the soda so and then you go throw it for go mess up her shirt and go mess up, you know, like her pants which she have on her tights and then for go, you know, reaching her navel and them something there. But anyway, it might actually be good because you know them type of substances they're sometimes good as some cleaning agent and some of them girls go out the road and them not take a Q-tip and clean out them navel. A whole heap of girl out the road now with some dirty navel. If you take one little navel and put little alcohol in it and you go so, you will be shocked so you find out some little muggage and some little scummage were in there. Okay? Alright.
Lego juice in a them girl navel.
Broke pocket boy no carry down navel, that's true, alright. Boy move from you so with your little bit of money. Keep by your mouth with your little bit of money. You hold out with your little bit of money, go over there so with your little bit of money. Me not gonna lie, honestly, like if Governor go out and if they want all exclusive party and they have the VIP table and you come around as a little yes man and a little man try to sponge pan the man, like nobody try this because if Governor tell you that to your face, no man, Jesus crime.
Shame.
Alright, so the little party I know, I don't really can agree because you know the little Tamara get his story still fresh from my mind now. So him say contract killer money, some man gonna see and I run down the fisher money once again. I said the little the little white type of things where people can do for money sometimes. Okay, them say easier and quicker money. Okay, I guess Governor knows the type of things them what that is being said out on the street. Alright, big up yourself, Governor. But me prefer teeth out my little sister money. This is very understandable. But your sister now, she have fair money off it all. I can't look a piggy bank money your sister have. Your sister money have well tall because at the end of the day, you want your little money for God taboo for God dash out on the strip of them. Okay?
Move on yourself with your Likkle Bit A Money.
Him say money run like champs, yeah, that is a money. Shell. We love the line there bad. Okay, money run like champs, yeah, that is a money. Get pulled over, officer money. How the F you love smoke and not have no Rizla money, which is very much true. I'm not gonna lie, but what if people who always about the little weed, for some reason, them never have Rizla, them never have the what do you call it, something named the grabber. Me not understand if you ever have an addiction like that. Why you can't have the things then? Then him goes on, you want to see rifle, F with Sizzler money. No, is like Sizzler like a bad man? Is Sizzler like fully bad or something? Because me just think that Sister was just a Rasta man that sing about peace and love and consciousness and him have only like a atheist side, but Sizzler a bad man? Is that like a thing? Well, me not mess with Sizzler, like I Governor me I take a warning.
Bad man no drink off a man.
And then the song continues, it goes on and it goes on and it goes on. I'm not gonna lie, people, I enjoy the song here. The song here is a whole entire vibe. It have a certain energy, but when you listen to the song here, you can't just listen to regular and regular. You have to consume the lyrics of the song and feel the whole energy. And you just have to feel like, say, you're somebody who well rich. When you listen to the song here, you have to tell yourself, say, you did grow up from like the royal family. Some Matalan money, some money we have passed on from generations to generations. When the man name some Stuart money, Butch Stuart money, and them type of items, so you have to feel like you have some Usain Bolt money. Likkle Bit A Money. Likkle Bit A Money. Likkle Bit A Money. Likkle Bit A Money. Shut your mouth with your Likkle Bit A Money. Alright, so I reached the end of this Dutty lyrics. It was, you know, my review of Govana's Likkle Bit A Money single. But hope so you enjoy it. If you did, make sure you just lick the thumbs up button right here, so you know, turn on the post notification so you can see the other reviews as well, and just to subscribe, leave a comment and all them something there. But yeah, peace out until the next video. I think I'm gonna do Chanel more Yamabella. Yeah, so keep it locked.